Hello everyone. In this video we will show you our top 5 crypto market overview websites. But why this video? A lot of people use the same website, while there are many other websites that can give you some important information or overview. We will show our top 5 market overview websites and the benefits of each one. First, we'll start with Coinmarketcap. Coinmarketcap is the most famous one. The website gives a nice overview of all the coins, the price, the 24-hour volume and some other things. In the menu at the top you can also filter on coins or tokens only. Next to it you can check the biggest gainers or losers of the last hour or 24 hours. Another benefit of Coinmarketcap is their coin overview. In the chart you can see the all-time price movement of the coin. You can change the time frame for more detailed info. At the bottom you will see markets. This shows a list of all the exchanges the coin can be traded at. At the left you will find a link to the coin's website. Look at the white paper and roadmap to learn about the coin before investing. Next up is Coincheckup. Coincheckup is one of our favorites, because it shows the percentages of the 1 hour, 24 hour and 7 days gains and losses. One of the big benefits of Coincheckup is the ability to follow a coin. If you follow a few coins, you can filter the view to only the coins you want to see. If it looks too bright, the website, you can turn on the dark mode. This makes it look a little nicer. Coincheckup also provides analysis and predictions about the coins. Every coin gets a rating that you can see at the right side of the screen. It is updated daily. You can create an account to personalize the website. ATHcoinindex, which stands for all-time high, is a little different. This website will show the current price of a coin and the difference between the current price and the all-time high price. At the right side of the screen, you can enable a notification of a coin. For example, if Bitcoin reaches under minus 20% of its all-time high, I want to be notified so that I can invest and ride the wave to a new high. Next up is Coincodex. Coincodex is very similar to Coinmarketcap. It has a nice overview and shows a small 7-day chart. At the top of the screen you can filter the overview to less coins, add the Bitcoin price, or check the biggest gainers and losers. Coincodex also has a watch list just like Coincheckup. This way you can check your coins better. Coincodex also provides a nice overview of every coin just like Coinmarketcap. Last but not least is Cryptocompare. Cryptocompare has a nice overview which includes a small chart. The prices are updated every second. As you can see, sometimes coin prices turn red and sometimes they turn green. Green is up and red is down, so green is better of course. If you click on a coin, you will see all the details of that specific coin. That's not something new. You can also follow the coin to keep track of your favorites easier. The menu at the top is the best menu of all websites. It shows you exchanges like Bittrex, Binance and many more, some wallets, and a lot of other stuff which might be important. So if you don't know much about different exchanges and wallets, take a look on Cryptocompare. Another nice thing of Cryptocompare is the portfolio. Here you can personalize your overview and add your coins to it. Thank you for watching and follow us on Twitter and Facebook to get all the news and important information. All the links we mentioned are in the description. If we get to 1000 subscribers, we will reveal our true identity on this channel.